To prepare a cost reconciliation report for the mixing department at Hayward, using the weighted average costing method, you need to calculate the total cost of account for both in terms of materials cost and conversion cost. Here are the steps and the related computations. First step, calculate the equivalent units of production of materials and conversion. Equivalent units of materials equal to units in process plus units charged in production minus units in process, where units in process is equals to 300. Units in process is equals to 300 and units started into production is equals to 2200, and units in process is not provided in the information. You need to find the ending inventory units. If you have the ending